Government Degree College, Utnur, Adilabad, G. Vijay, Contract Factory, lecturer in Computer Science and Application. BSc final year, last class discussions about operators. Operators is a symbolic visual basic having these types of operators. Arithmetic operators, last class, addition, plus, subtractions, minus or multiplications, or floating points, integer division, remainders, and to the power of equations. This is called as a arithmetic operator in the instructions last class discussions. So today, equality and relationship operator, or equality or relationship operator, it's a comparison operator. Comparison operators or relationships operator. Comparison operators, it's a both value of taken variable, both value, then comparison of given absolutely value, then comparison of given absolutely value, comparison or relations, one variable to another variable, or one number to another numbers, then comparison of given values. So this is the comparison or equality of value, equalities of given variable values. So this is the comparisons operators in a visual basic. There are three types: comparing numeric values, comparing string, comparing objects. Comparing numeric, comparing strings, comparing objects. So this is the value of comparison operators compares two expenses and returns a value of given boolean value that represent that a relationship or comparison or equality, then the value of operators for comparing a numeric value. Operators for a comparing string, operators comparing string, and operators for comparing objects, and operators of comparing numeric. This is the all three types of operators in discuss. So this is the comparing a numeric operators. A visual basic compare a numeric value using 6 numeric comparison values. 6 types of comparing operators values. Take as a 2 expands is the value to numeric value, then follow this visual basic symbols, then we have to take operators. So first of all, then take greater than. So this is called as a greater than. So these values of given greater than value, comparison of greater than 3 greater than 2, it's a true value. We have to take comparison of both value, then value of given 3 greater than 2. This called as a compare operator. This is called as a compare operator. This is called as a comparison. Both value, this called as a comparison operator. Comparison operator 3 greater than 2. Then this is the comparison operator. Comparison operator, it's a both value 3 greater than 2. This given of value, it's absolutely value give the result. Absolutely value give the results. Then absolutely value, it's a true value, it's a 3. Value of given true. So this is the value of given true. Both value comparison, variable values and on another variable values, both value comparison of greater than. This is the value of given true. And next one, then given less than operator. Less than operator. So less than operator also then given, this is the value of given first example less than of given value of second example. First value or second value give the comparison of given. This is called as a values of comparison symbols. So next one, less than value. $20 less than 30. This is value of given comparison. $20 less than 20, less than value. Both the value of the first value example less than and the second value example then equal to given the results of comparison, both value comparisons. This is called as a Boolean operators. It's a true operators and false operator. This is statements is given false. This is called as a false. See, given operators, it's a false. It's a given operators, it's a false. Then next example, less than example. Next example, 23 and 33. It's a given values of given comparison value. It's given values of given. It's a biggest value. It's a given of first statements is variable taken second values. Then comparison of values. It's a true value or absolutely value. Then comparison of given values. Both value then comparison values. So this is the comparison values of given true values. Both conditions is there. 23 less than 33. This value is comparison true or false? It's a true. And next example then taken. Next example, 2 less than 2. This is called as a given example. It's a false. It's a false. Then given Boolean operator. Then Boolean true or false. This statement is a true. This statement is a false. Then given of Example, less than. So this is the conditions of given example. And next one, greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. So these conditions, comparison of both values, then first you can take values, and second equal to, less than equal to second values. This is called as a given example. 20 less than equal 23. This statements, it's a true or false. These conditions, it's a true. And next example, 23 less than equal to, so also 23. These statements is true or false. These statements true or false. This is also true value. Boolean operator, it's a true operators. True operator. And next operator, then 20 less than equal 12. This is final operators can given true or false. This is called as a comparison or both variable value and comparison operator. It's a false. It's a false value. So this is the conditions of given value of comparison, greater less than equal. So next one, greater than equal. Greater than equal. This value variable take both values. In the value of given first example value, greater than equal to the value of given second example, and then comparison of values. So first example, then take 20 less than equal 30. This is value of given, it's a false value. False value. And next example, 20 less than equal also 20. This is value of given Boolean operators, then take value on comparison of both values, then comparison of both values and equal, greater than equal, then variable value 20 and variable value 20, then taken value, and comparison of greater than equals, then value of given, it's a Boolean operator, it's a true value. It's a true value. It's a true value. Then so the next example given, 20 greater than equal to 10. This values as comparison, variable value, it's a biggest of 20, and another variable value, it's the biggest of 10, and comparison of both values is given greater than operator, and it's a true absolutely values, it's given true Boolean operator. It's a true value. So this is the comparison of given values. And next one, equal operators. next one, equal operators. So equal operators, it's a equal. 2 equal, it's a 2, and given absolutely value result, it's a true. Absolutely value, it's a true. Then given of values, it's a true value. So this is called as a equal value. And next, not equal, not equal, not equal. A 3 not equal to, comparison of not equal operator, then value of given variable 3 and given variable 2 and given, so value of biggest, it's a 3 value, then is given value is true. It's a value of given, it's a true. This is the comparison operator. This is the comparison operator. Then take a numeric value variable, a Visual Basic comparison numeric value using a 6 types of comparison operator. Each operator take as a 2 example given variable 2 values and numeric value, then follow this table. The Visual Basic different types of procedure to execute a small section. The coding of applications. The Visual Basic program can be smallest a logical comparison of values of procedure. The value of variable taken, variable values of procedure. Then operators, it's a false, true or false. Then taken true or false. Then given of values of true or false. And next one, comparison string. A Visual Basic compare a string using the operator as well as a numeric comparison operator. Like the operator, you can specify a pattern. The string is a compare the value of patterns is given of results, it's a true, and as well as and givens of results, it's a false, the numeric operator. And operator as well, you comparison of string values, then the order of given, this example of given, order of given, give the example. So comparison operators, then given example a and given comparison operators, it's a single quotations or quotations of given. The results of the proceeding, a compare is a true. This is the compare is a true. I give the example B, and B also. Then condition, then comparison of greater than B. This is called as a given or comparison operator. Then the comparison operator, value of given, value of string. Following these statements, then given the true or false. This results of the proceeding comparison is a true values. It's a true values. Then comparison, it's a true values. So this is the true. This is the compare a string is a fixed and another such as a character of given string double B and given the triple or 4 B's, then largest a string of considers to the greater than string this following statements and given examples. So this is the comparison string operator. Then comparing string operator. And next one, third one, compare operators. A Visual Basic compare two object reference variable with the operators and the not operators. You can use either the operators determines if two different variables refers to the objects of this following given example. So Visual Basic, then given procedure of programming procedure, it's given example. Then dim, it's a keywords in Visual Basic, and X as a text class, and dim is a Y as a new test class. Then and next continuation, X equal to Y. If X is Y, then X is Y, then dim X as a text class, dim Y as a new text class, X equal to Y if X is Y, then we have to conditions, then will be take single quotation, insert code to run if X and Y. Point X and Y continuation, point to the some instance. Then end of the program, end if. This is the given simple example, is a procedure of given Visual Basic simple example. Then this is called as a give the object to code. In the proceeding example, X is Y to, it's a given values of, it's a true because the variable refers to the some instance of the results of with given is a procedural of given give the example is programs. In the procedure of given example, X is Y, value of given, it's a false because through the variable refers to the objects, some types of given values, both two objects in given pointing to the some instructions, not operators. Let's a grammatical give the combinations of not and is a following this given example programs. Dim a equal dim X equal a new class, dim Y equal a new class. If A is not B, then insert code to run if the A and B is a point of a different instance of given example. So example of given dim A as a new class A, and dim B as a new class B. So next next if a is not b, then 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 single quotations in insert code to run if a and b. Then point of given value different instructions and instructions and instructions and end if, then given of end if is not be, then, and given end of this program, end if statement is a closing statements. This is given values is given of in this proceeding of given if a is not is equivalent to if not a is b. This is the comparison of objects. The comparisons of objects, it can then given of given value, particularly types of values is expression. The syntax of given follow this example, and given this example, type of object code is type of object code name. This when types name specifies in interface type, then the type of is the expenses is the returns of given value true. If the object implement the interface types in types name is a class types, then the expenses returns of values is a true, then given values of or comparisons object, then comparison operators, then there are comparison or relations operator. There are three types: a numeric operator, a string operator, and object operators. Then the comparisons operators, then two values returns of given boolean values, it's a true or false. This is the comparison operator. So thank you.